Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another segment on the cleaning table, and today we're going to be cleaning a black-nosed shark. Also, this is going to be the way to clean medium-sized sharks to large sharks. So I'll be showing you guys that style, and I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Alright guys, I got my black-nosed shark here. The first thing you want to do with a shark this size is take off all the fins. So you're going to go through, take off all the fins, throw them away. And these fish right here will dull a knife in a heartbeat. These are the calipers right here you're going to take off. And they're going to start working next door. Figures. Got those off. These off. By taking all the fins off, it makes it a lot easier to fillet the shark. Especially when you got one this heavy. This is about a 40 pound shark. Alrighty, get this last pec fin off. Alright. Alright, you got them completely finned. Alright, now that you got the shark all finned, you're gonna have to gut him. So you come in right back when his gills and everything in, make an incision, and just come all the way through the belly cavity, all the way out to here. Just like that. And you're gonna remove all the guts, but I'm not gonna put this on film. Alright guys, we got our shark completely gutted and finned, so now he's ready to fillet out. That's what you do, is you'll grab this right about here, about where the gills end. It's real soft, you'll be able to go right through. Come all the way down. You'll feel where the cartilage starts. You're just gonna go along that cartilage. They don't have a bone like other fish, they're all cartilage. Just go all the way down till you hit the tail. About right here, and then you put your knife up, come out. And there you go, you got a really nice shark fillet. And you can see where they have the cartilage go right through. Now they don't have the little things coming up like they do in the regular fish, the backbone. It's just this one solid bone going all the way down. Or cartilage, not really bone. So flip it over. About the same place, find that soft spot, come all the way through, all the way down, turn your knife, and go all the way down that cartilage. Come up right about here, and there you go. You got two nice fillets. And all this right here is also solid meat. Just stick your knife through here, right here. Go down. Cut up. Come up right about here. And there you go. The rest of this you just throw away. Alright, guys, I got my two fillets, my back strap here. We'll go ahead and just take the back strap off real quick. Just come right through. There's going to be a little bit of cartilage right here. Just ride your knife right along that cartilage. Come right off, just about like this. And there you go. Throw that away. There you go, nice chunks of meat. Perfect for frying. I'm doing whatever with it. Got a little bit of cartilage right in there where the fin was. Looks like too much, we'll just let that go. So with the back strap, that's about what you get. Alright guys, well now we're gonna go ahead and skin out this fillet here. And what I like to do is I don't like to run my knife completely against the skin if I can help it. Because I want to get as much of this dark meat off the fillet so it's pretty clean like that. So I'll come up just a little bit just so I miss that dark meat. And then right about here, I'm going to cut along that belly. About like that. So that way you can skin this pretty easy. And then you just sit here. It gets to be a little tough right about here. So I like to put a little bit of pressure down. About like that. Come through. Like that. There we go. There we go. We got a nice fillet. Cut a little bit of this dark meat out where we got gaffed and kind of blooded in the meat a little bit. We'll cut that out and we'll be good. Now we're going to cut the belly meat off. About like that. Discard that. Getting some nice belly meat right here. What you got to do is just take it off that belly membrane. Do it just like you would any other kind of skin. Sometimes it can be a little difficult. This is actually my favorite part of the shark. This almost tastes like scallops, the belly meat area. And there you go. That's all nice and clean. And I'll show you how I stake them up. This right here I'll just cut in chunks because I'll most likely fry this portion along with the back strap. And these are the portions right here that I like to cook on the grill. So there's a nice little steak. About like that. Another nice little steak. Trim off any excess skin. Another good one right here too. Real nice steak. Go ahead and stake this right here. And I'll just basically fry this part right here. A little bit of skin right there. And I'll cut all this up and fry this. Alright, I'll get this other one done and I'll show you the result. Alright guys, I'm all done cleaning my shark. This is what you end up with. Some really nice steaks like this. And this stuff is very good deep fried. On the grill, you can smoke it, you can blacken it. This stuff is excellent. It's a very good eating fish. A lot of people a little afraid of it when it comes to cleaning them or eating them, but it's really good if you do it right, and they're really not that hard of a fish to clean. This one was about 30 to 40 pounds, and you can use the same method for sharks upward of over 100. I don't like to keep them much more over 100 pounds, but you can use this same method for any size shark basically that's larger. The smaller sharks, I've already done a video. You can see how you do the smaller sharks. It's a little bit easier. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Seeing how to clean a medium-sized shark to a large-sized shark. Now using that style and that method of cleaning, you can clean a shark from 20 pounds all the way up to however big you want to keep. Now I don't recommend you keep a shark over 100 pounds, 120 pounds max. That's just my personal preference. But if you do keep one that big, This, you can pretty much clean them the same way that I showed you in this video. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it informative and you learned a little bit of a different way of cleaning a shark if you didn't already know. And I also want to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to this channel. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate each and every one of you all very much. Until I get to see you guys again here soon on the water, tie lines, Jetty Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.